In this video, we're automating email list validation. This agent checks your addresses against zero bounce to catch bounces before they reach your campaigns. Perfect for marketing teams, sales operations, and anyone sending bulk campaigns at scale. We'll find this agent in the template library and deploy it. Let's search for the bulk email verification template. One click and the workflow editor opens with the full automation ready. Here's the workflow canvas with 9 steps. I'll walk you through what each one does and how data flows through the system. The AI assistant is built in. Ask questions about your workflow anytime and get instant answers without leaving the editor. Bulk email verification automation includes setup guidance to help you get started quickly with included documentation notes. This manual trigger node starts the workflow when you click the button. No automatic events or schedules required, giving you complete control over when the bulk email verification process begins. This node pulls email addresses from column A of your Google Sheet, retrieving all rows in that column to feed into the verification process downstream. This node loops through each email row from the previous step, processing them one at a time to verify their validity in subsequent operations. This node validates each email address in the loop using zero bounces validation service, checking deliverability and catching invalid or risky addresses before they're processed further. This node checks whether the previous verification step returned a valid status and routes the workflow accordingly based on that condition. This node sends each email address to Zero Bounces Scoring API, which returns a detailed deliverability assessment including bounce risk and mailbox validity for that contact. This node marks emails that have passed validation and received a quality score, allowing downstream steps to process only verified contacts with confidence metrics intact. This node marks emails as invalid and halts their progression through the workflow, preventing further processing of unverifiable addresses. Over 1,000 integrations connect here. You could sync results back to Salesforce, send alerts to Slack, or trigger follow-up workflows in HubSpot. That's the setup. Deploy it from templates and start cleaning your